Now okay, madam.
Hello children, how are you? Today I am going to explain about sentence. Okay? Do you have idea, children? Sentence? A sentence means what? First we must know the meaning of the sentence and what is called sentence. A sentence is a group of words having a complete sense, or we can say a combination of words giving a complete sense is called a sentence. Yes or no? A combination of words giving a complete sense is called a sentence. For example, you see, I am a good girl. Or another example you can give me, the rose is a beautiful flower. Is a beautiful flower. Now you see, combination of words. Combination of words means, you see how many words are there in the first example? I am a good girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a combination of words and it is giving us complete sense. Then we called it sentence. Okay? And if you take it half, then it won't give us sense. Then it's not a sentence. Completion of the sentence, sense should be there. Okay? So what word combine after we are getting sentence. Now the next is coming. What are the kinds of sentence? Kinds of sentences. Okay? Children, do you have idea what are the kinds of sentences? First, declarative or adjective sentence. Adjective sentence. Yes or no? Number two what? Remember? Declarative, adjective or adjective. Next is what? That is interrogative sentence. And the next one is optative or it is called imperative. Imperative we can say. Previous, old grammar, optative sentence will come, but present it is imperative sentence. And the number 4, it is imperative sentence and the exclamatory sentence. Okay? So how many kinds of sentence did you get? Declarative, the second one is interrogative, the third one is imperative, and the fourth one is exclamatory. Let us describe about declarative. What is the meaning of declarative? Declarative itself is telling to declare. What is that? To declare or to exert. That is why its name is called declarative sentence or adjective sentence. So declare means what to declare? It is a statement, may be positive, may be negative. So you give, for example, you give today is a hot day. Okay? So today is not a hot day. Here I have given you example that today is a hot day. Today is a hot day. Okay. Ready? This is, it declares that today's condition what? Hot. It is positive. Positive sentence means it is affirmative in nature. Affirmative is called the positive sentence. Today is not a hot day. Not a hot day. So it shows the affirmative negative because no shine is there. So this both are under declarative because this statement declares something, asserts something. Okay. Now, did you get it idea? So anything you can express either positively or negatively, so it is called the declarative sentence. Clear? And it is called the adjective sentence also. Number 2, it's called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Okay, interrogative sentence means interrogate itself is question, interrogation, question making. You know children, there are two types of questions we can frame. Two types of interrogative, two types are there. One is that WH type, and the second one is, it is what? That verbal question. Verbal question means which is called yes or no question. Yes or no question. Understood? So WH type means you can take WH words like how, what. WH word like how is also under WH only. How, what, which, whom, where, 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 when. Okay, these are the words we can frame the WH questions. For example, just you frame WH question how, like with WH word, that how are you? How are you? First example, it is a WH word. Number 2, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is also under WH. You see that? What? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Okay, this is also how many. How. Number 4, you take example, whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Very simple examples you create, and which is lively to see your area, to see your wherever you are sitting. You can live example also you can give it. Okay, that is very effective. The children can understand well. These are the WH question. Why? Because it starts with WH word. See how? WH what, how many, and whose. Now come to the verbal question. What is the meaning of verbal? Verbal questions means, you know, verbal questions means if you ask the question, you will get the answer either in yes form or in no form. For example, you see, either in yes. Have you taken your breakfast? Have you taken your breakfast? Have you taken your breakfast? Very simple question. Yes, madam. Okay. Did you complete? See, have. Auxiliary. It starts with auxiliary. Nearly 24 auxiliaries are there. Previous chapter it was there. Nearly 24 auxiliaries are there. So, and this is the primary auxiliaries like is, am, are, was, were. Okay, be, being, been. And this is the second like have, had, has, do, did, does. These are the primary auxiliaries, and remaining like can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might. Okay, used to, need, must, need. These are the which auxiliary? Modals, which is called modals. So with the help of either modals or this 24 auxiliaries, either modals or primary, you can use it and put a verbal question. You can make it. Did you? Now the second you give, second question asks, did you complete your homework? Lively example you give, did. Okay. What's the time? What's the time means WH time. And another example, are you all right? Are you all right? Okay. Another example, you give example. Do you like sweets? Do you like sweets? Okay. Did you get now how many examples I have given? Now with the help of any auxiliary, or I mean the primary auxiliaries or modals, that mean nearly 24 are there, you can frame the verbal questions. Okay. And verbal question, it is very much useful for the spoken English. Okay, not only in the written English but also in the spoken English also it is very much helpful. Why? Because we are asking several questions per day. We are asking several hundreds questions we are putting to others, and we are asking ourselves, so that it is very much helpful. Okay, these questions, even WH questions, even verbal questions. Now we can go through the we can go through the optative or imperative sentence, the third one. Okay, imperative sentence, right? So imperative sentence means what? It is, I mean, you can take, it is order, right? The sentence which will give order, warning, request, okay, and what do you say, blessing or wish, okay, command, and what is suggestion, advice, right? These are coming under the imperative sentence. It means the sentence which gives order, which gives warning, which gives or request, or which gives wish or command or suggestion or advice is called the imperative sentence. For example, if you take order, if you give the sentence which gives order, then what you have said, go and bring a cup of tea for me. Go, or go and bring means you can write directly fetch a cup of tea for me. Okay, this is called imperative sentence. Warning, you take warning. For example, if you take warning, then if you won't complete this work, complete your homework, if you won't complete what, take it your own example, your homework today. If your homework today, then I will give you punishment. This is warning, punishment. Okay, you take another. Similarly, command you take, sit down. Okay, sit down, stand up. Similarly, another you take wish you take, may God bless you, right? Understood? Suggestion you take, okay, it is today Sunday, today we have to go for movie. Okay, so these are the sentences coming under the imperative sentence. Now the next one is what? The next one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means what? Exclamatory means it is a sudden feeling. It is what? It is a sudden feeling. Which sentence will give us feeling, sudden feeling, that is called the exclamatory. You know, exclamatory sentence always ends with what? Exclamation mark is there. Do you know this mark? Exclamation mark is there, right? So, for example, you take wow. These are the symbolic. Okay, wow. Okay, oh, okay, bravo, well done, These are the exclamatory symbols. For example, you frame the sentence, wow, what an idea. What an idea. Oh, it's terrible. Terrible cold. Okay. Bravo. Well done. Okay. So, these are the exclamation marks. Everywhere you could find out the exclamation mark will be there. Then you can find out this is an exclamatory sentence. So, what did you get the remembering point? What is a sentence? That combination of words giving complete sense is called sentence. And the kinds of sentence, how many are there? There are 4 kinds of sentences. Like what is first one is the declarative or adjective sentence, and the second one is question interrogative sentence, third one is imperative sentence, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Okay, and declarative sentence always give statement, declares something, adjures something, and which will give either positive or negative statement. And question, there are 2 types are there, and one is WH questions, another is verbal questions. WH question starts with WH and ends with question mark. Verbal question starts with auxiliary and ends with question mark. And next, coming to the imperative sentence, you know, order, request, command, and that too suggestion, blessings, okay, and advice, all these things, warning, these all are under imperative sentence. And the next one is our exclamatory sentence. Always starts with the capital letter every time and ends with exclamation mark, exclamatory sentence, exclamation mark. And these are all the sudden feelings. So according to that, our sentence